TikTok. Come off a TikTok, faggot. When the people in my talk say you're faggot, when you don't answer them, you know you sit in a blind. The man them in the community about but I want to beat you. The police. Police. The man them in the community about I want to beat you. Them nobody want to beat you. But coming on no fam no way. I'm bad friend got beard. I watch out these ticks. I watch out the ticks at your asshole. Power top strat. Big. Me forgot. Remember the first girl that come and look at me. You know what me I do, don't know. Sure. Not even great. Come in no annoying, yeah, look. You stink like shit. Turn up my AC, yeah. Them a look.
Me a call, not now, them a play music out there, so but me a call book for go for shop.
If I want to say something, your connection. Boss lady want me. Boss lady, how was the birthday? Did you have a blast? Okay, you good? I say you bad, so you want me add you? Really? So why if me say my bad? What my badness have to do with adding you now? So when me add you now, where I go now? Like how I say my bad, I'm adding now. Is that 1 minute? So like how my bad now, and I'm add you. What that prove now? What that prove? I don't understand. Make it make sense. So if me not add it, that mean me not bad? How that it mean? I can't take no abuse in the night. No, it's if I want me hide for you, leave me alone, girl. I'm afraid. I'm be at peace now. You understand? I'm a century. Maybe half a century plus 5. So I'm hiding. How about that? My old brains can't take none of them abuse a girl. Badness coming in all different kind of stage and category, you know that? Send me a request now. You say you want to send me a request. Come at me here afternoon. Me say my bad. My Queenie, my daughter is also called Queenie. Is it? Yeah, that's nice. Your daughter called Queenie. Add up the thing now, man. Send me a request, let me add you now. Come now. Send me now, send her the request, man. Confirm the invitation. What you want to trouble me for? And my life. Where Yvette there? Mr. Rose, how are you? Pretty man. The life is fully, man. I wanna there. Send your request, no data. Good night. You know, so you're haunted. You're really haunted. Why you come over here and tell me, Adia? Why? I'm shocked. I'm lost. Why? You wanna come over here and beat me up in my fucking yard, though, fam? No, I'm locking my door. Did I make a rush at all? May I hide? I'm just weak. And so may I come look for them over TikTok, but look like them are rush me over here. So may I hide? What's your money? Them people still have them lyrics here. Yvette, people still have them lyrics here. Good night, sweet 16. No, I'm not fucking sweet 16. I'm 54, going 55. I'm half a century plus 4, fam. So we're good at the way some of the other. Me blood clot. That boy skin me alive. If I see them skin cat alive yet, that them want to me. No. No, me, man. I don't have the energy. May I hide?
Why?
Yvette, where you there? Yvette, you coming back? Yvette.
Same way. And me still done here do things, bro. Me still done here do gate, I do fall cub, I do fence. I look out for her same way. I try to make sure say yo, any man what she there with, love her, bro. You see me? More she have the best life, brother. Me love my mother, bro. Me love my mother. That woman is strong, bro. Me love my mother, brother. Me love my mother, bro. Me love my mother. And see palette there what me say now. See boy have a palette there. And me say now already. Not even that they want $360 for that. That's not cheap. That's not no cheap type of shit, bro. That's not cheap. And before she come to me and say, you know, say me sell the phone, tell me see you sell the phone. I'm gonna accept you and probably then buy her another phone. You understand? Because if life's so hard for you over there, me ask her, say, why she not come home? When she asked me to pay for money for her marriage, me say, mommy, why you not come home, mommy? Why you not come home, mommy? When me go up a treat, I me keep me treat, guys. See me treat the guys. I me invite my family member them. None of them not come. Last week, guys, see, none of them not come. None of them not come, brother. Right in my community because they claim some me mad. And me approve to them say, bro, me not mad, bro. None of them not come. None of them not come on me treat. That's all. Like I swear me go over there. I be her up, me get her. Brittany really got the support from her family. She have to turn to animals for her to support. And that they still want to beat up a girl feet. Me don't want to give. Me don't want to give baby girl. But me have to talk. Me have to talk because on the seats and me I go through a lot. Right now, if me try go pound, they say me not for company up. They say me not for come back, bro. Jesus is love and God is love. Why the
Yeah, man. US Virgin Island. I know I'm not tired. You see, artist life not easy.